In this video, I'll show you how to hide likes on Facebook posts. If you don't want other people to see how many likes your posts get, Facebook allows you to control that from the settings. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the section called Preferences. Here, tap on Reaction Preferences. On this page, you'll see an option that says On Your Posts. Turn on the toggle next to this option if you want to hide the number of reactions on the posts you share. After enabling this setting, people will still be able to react to your posts, but the total number of likes and reactions will not be visible to others. If you also want to hide the number of reactions on posts from other people in your feed, you can enable the option that says On Posts from Others on the same page. The changes are saved automatically, so you can simply go back once you're done. That's how you can quickly hide likes on Facebook posts using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.